Hello, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to easily rename your Windows 11 PC in just 10 seconds. Let's get started. Click the Windows button, choose the Settings icon, and check the system requirements in the window that appears. Is chosen from the left pane, then simply scroll down to the right until you find the About option. Select it, and you'll see the name of the computer as it is now, along with a button that says, Rename this PC. Click it, enter your name in the prompt that appears, and then your computer will be prompted to restart. Click the Windows button, enter CMD, and launch the administrator-only command prompt by doing the following window. Firstly, type hostname to confirm that you have the current name of your computer. Secondly, type in or copy and paste the following command line. You can also find it in the description below. In my case, I'm renaming the computer to Edward, because that is my current name. You will notice that the procedure was successful. Naturally, you will need to restart your computer. Let's see how the name appears after restarting by going back to Settings and choosing the About section. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.